Okay, so now that we've got the problem set up, in order to have enough information to find dH over dt, we need to find the height here. Um, when r is 15 over 2 inches, let's figure out what the height is. And in order to figure out the height, it would be we need to know the volume because again, the radius, height, and volume are all linked together in that equation. And we know the volume at the beginning is the same as the volume at the end. So since we have this at the beginning, let's find the initial volume. So the volume is pi r squared h. So volume equals pi times 10 squared times h. And so that's inches. They'll end up being inches cubed. So volume equals 100 times 4 is 400 pi inches cubed, which then will also be true at this time as well, um, because the cylinder doesn't lose any volume in the shaping process. So here off to the side in purple, we'll do the algebra and arithmetic to find h. So we have 400 pi equals pi times r squared, and our radius is 15 over 2, r squared times h. And then just doing some arithmetic. Actually, we can simplify something here because let's divide both sides by pi. Right? If we divide both sides by pi, then we've got 400 equals, let's see, in 15 squared, 225 over 4. Feel free to use a calculator to figure out that that's 225 times h. And let's then, I'm trying to keep as much precision as possible, and it's good practice as well. So 4 over 225, multiply both sides by that. Excuse me. And then let's see, to simplify this, notice the 400 and 225, 5 will go into both of those, so we can do some simplifications. Let me ask my calculator here what 225 divided by 5 is. So that's 45. And then 400 divided by 5. 400 divided by 5 is 80. And then let's see. Then next, 45 and 85 will still go into both of those. So let's do the 45. 5 into 45 goes 9 times. Let's 80 divided by 5 is 16. Okay, so I think we've got everything reduced as much as possible. Again, just trying to keep the arithmetic as compact and exact as possible. So here on this side we have h, 16 times 4, I think that's 64, but let me just, since I already have the calculator out, okay, 64 over 9 inches. Okay, so that is then our height there. So we have 64 over 9 inches. And I think at this point, now that we have h, we are in business and we have enough information to then do the arithmetic to find dH over dt, which will be in part 3.